How to review other records on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review other records on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and go down settings and privacy, and now settings, and then go down until you find this one, activity log, and click this one, look at actions and other activity, and then just click this one, other records, and as you see here you can review other records on Facebook Mobile. And that's it for today's video. That's how to review other records. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.